With another presidential election on the horizon, a new effort to shine a spotlight on those casting the ballots is now underway. The House Ways and Means Committee announcing it will be investigating nonprofit groups to make sure they're following the law, in particular when it comes to voter registration.
We're going to look into whether they're abusing the IRS rules in order to get all kinds of money to target certain types of voters in certain demographics in swing states to make sure that they get those votes in.
In its new report, How Charities Secretly Help Win Elections, the conservative Capital Research Center alleges certain nonprofits are running well-designed voter registration campaigns because it's an effective tactic to score additional Democratic votes, even suggesting Joe Biden's victory in key states in 2020 may have been a result of this effort, though there's no definitive data to back this up.
The IRS is allowing essentially Democratic political activism to be labeled as nonprofit charitable work, which just is not fair or right.
The report calls out groups like the Voter Registration Project, commissioned by former Hillary Clinton campaign manager John Podesta, and Everybody Votes, which touts registering 5 million people, 76% of whom were people of color, 56% who were women. Everybody Votes did not respond to our request for comment, and there is no indication any laws were broken. The IRS clearly states on its website activities intended to encourage people to participate in the electoral process, such as voter registration and get out the vote drives, would not be prohibited political campaign activity if conducted in a nonpartisan manner. On Capitol Hill, we expect Republican lawmakers will look into whether those efforts were conducted in a partisan manner, with the potential to try to pass legislation ahead of the 2024 election. In Washington, I'm Christine Frizzau.